you see? Do you see a bumper? What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, man, today in the thumbnail, I know y'all probably seen it, man. I'm putting the Dirty Dingo motor mounts on this mug, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I got some other stuff. I'm waiting on something. I got some more parts coming, but I'm waiting because for me to put the motor in there, I got to make sure that the transmission can somewhat handle this mug here. This mug here got some good stuff done to it, so it's kind of, it ain't no built 4.8, but it's a built 4.8. With that being said, man, I'm gonna be getting my chair, because I am not finna be sitting looking crazy, jumping up and down, putting these things up. But I got the motor, it's rolled out. I got the motor mount sitting right up on top of it. Yes, sir. That looks a little bit better. But like I said, man, we're gonna be putting these motor mounts on here. I'm finna get my little bitty chair because I'm gonna sit down and do this. So, you know, I'm gonna be comfortable out here today. So, yeah, I'm gonna be comfortable today. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and put these motor mounts on now. Yes, sir. Alright, these are the motor mounts. Didn't really have any instructions, but it don't look that hard. Driver side, P for the passenger side. You know, got all the hardware, bolts. Then it has this little lock. So gonna be putting that in, and not gonna tighten them all the way down, because I do want this mug to continue to slide until we get it into the right location. Then that's when I'm gonna be tightening these mugs all the way down. But until then, man, let's go ahead and put these mugs on now.
A lot of risks chasing dreams, it got my nerve shot. A lot of rifts came between, I'm on my third shot. Sitting trying to push through. Tell me what it took you. Tell me about the price you paid. Tell me about the life you made. Tell me I can do it too. Say you from where I'm from, and everything will work out in the end. I'll see the outcome. Income accolades, tell me that I'm strong enough. Cause every time I get flowers, I'm like, it took you long enough. I've been the greatest. Real manhood on top of what I innovated. Whole fam good, don't try me cause I'm irritated. One wrong move can put me in the wrong mood and get your one bedroom ventilated. My word is law, my word is God, my word is absolute. Missteps, but I was doing what I had to do. Big flex, cause I ain't never do the average two. Left some folks behind, I'm sorry, but I had to move. Looking for my new beginning. Every story don't come with no happy ending. Looking for my new beginning. New beginning, new beginning, new You can beginning. Never stop me, hotel lobby, keying at 4 a.m.
Alright, y'all. That's where I'm at so far. I got it real loose. But the socket that I'm using to tighten these down is a 11/16. And you know, I really want to say that yeah, pretty straightforward, you know. I'm when I get that flex plate, but that's another topic. But yeah, that's it, you know. I gotta do the passenger side, so let me go ahead and tighten these down. Not tighten them to where the thing can't slide, but I'm gonna tighten them down to where it's more snug than this. But I'll get right back with y'all, man. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And I didn't run into nothing. I just thought that, you know, I would, you know, let you know what the finished product looks like. You know, left it loose, you know, so it'll slide up in there. Y'all just don't know. Day by day, I keep getting so anxious to just go ahead and put this mud in here, man. But let's go to the other side. And this side right here, it has the P for the passenger side. So yeah, I know y'all probably like, yeah, you know, driver side, passenger side. Gonna be setting y'all up, so we finna go ahead and get that done. So let me set y'all down.
All I know, all I know, get it, 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 hey, get it, get it, get it, hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, yeah, get it, get it. On my soul, ain't no letting up. I know. Time to step it up. Go hard, too hard. All I ever know. Hand on my heart. When it get dark, stay on my squad. Ain't no fear inside. Might go in attack. Where you from? Refund check. Blow it, get it back. Peeling off. Am I wrong if I say I wanna put my city on? Am I wrong if I say I really did it on my own? Yeah, I get it. 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 Get it.
All right, I'm back. Just did the passenger side, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know this side the bolts went in a whole lot easier than that driver's side. I looked to make sure, you know, I took the other side back out to make sure that I wasn't cross-threading it or anything, make sure that I didn't do none of that. I don't know, just the other side, I had to look to make sure that I had some little earbuds. I made sure that I took them out, and that wasn't the case. So I don't know, just this side right here went a whole lot smoother than the driver's side, but that's the finished product. This is the passenger side, and I have it to where you can just, so when the motor does, you know, when I do set it up in there, yes sir, that mother look like it's got a lazy eye on that side. Shit, the whole truck looked lazy as hell, but yeah. But this side right here, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and then this side here, yes sir, I'm always in the game. So the Dirty Dingo mounts, hopefully everything will be, it won't hit on anything. Hopefully the headers don't hit on anything. Like I said, this was an easy step. I'm just waiting on more parts, so yeah. Yeah, I didn't have any problems, but I got a couple more things. This is gonna be my next thing. I'm gonna see if I can clean this thing up. Yeah. Let's see about cleaning this thing up. Look like them been outside for a while. But hopefully a little bit of scrubbing, and yeah, we just slowly but We slowly moving, but that's gonna be it with this video, man. I hope y'all liked it. You know, very easy setup with these Dirty Dingo mounts. Everything was straightforward. It didn't come with any instructions, so with that being said, driver side, passenger side, it's good. It got it marked on there, and it got the boat. So, hey, 10 out of 10. Let's try again. But yeah, I'm happy. It's slowly it's getting there. But yeah, y'all have a good one, man. I'm out.